Those who are mining ZEN coin, all of them get ready for its listing on the 21st. Now, before that, you have to do one important thing. If you don't do it, you would not get the airdrop. Now, only BingX exchange has the option to withdraw. Now, to do that, you have to click on the TGE and listing option. Then here you have to type the UID of BingX exchange. Now to get it, you have to open your BingX exchange. Then you have to click on the option at the top left and copy its UID. Then again you have to go to your Telegram mini bot and paste it. After pasting, click on the confirm here option. Click on the confirm option. Then it will ask you to verify it again. Hit confirm again and your work is done. Now wait, before 21st you will get your tokens in your exchange, which you can trade later. Now there is one special thing you need to keep in your mind, otherwise you may not get your token. For example, you must have KYC verification active on your BingX exchange. Here you can check, it will look like this.
Thank you very much for watching this video completely, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.